Well, go on YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys my Supreme SB dunk. So this is my first SB, and yeah, it's a Supreme, so that's a plus. So this is the box it came in. So I'm gonna cut it open and see. There's some stuff like rattling around in there, so we're gonna see what's in the box. This side. And if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. So that's the box right here. Oh. So this side. Just to the side real quick. So okay, so this was, so they sent Supreme toothpicks. So some of it came out. It smelled like cinnamon. Yep, cinnamon sticks. So there you go. Also get your Supreme box logo sticker. Probably put this on my laptop, old school style. So that's it. That's some more toothpicks. So yeah. Just to the side. So there's a box right here, the regular SB box. So open them up. So we got a little Supreme, not Supreme, but a Nike SB sticker. Put this next to the Supreme sticker right here. Right here says Nike, but it also has Supreme on the paper. So this is the Dunk High, guys. I didn't go for the Dunk Low. Try for this one first because this one looks so dope. Like, damn. Just the detailing on this one, on the color. If this was switched where this color was on the low, the low would have been even better, but I like this one. So this is the Supreme SB Dunk Rammellzee. I guess that's this guy right here. I don't know. Let's see right there. Got the gum bottom. World famous Supreme. The Supreme right here. So this feels like canvas right here, but right here is like a suede. Let's see what's in here. So we got the Supreme. Let's take this out. Let's see how this comes out. This is my first SB Dunk, and it's a Supreme, so that's real cool. And I paid $148 for this. I think everything came up to like $160 after taxes and shipping, but that's what it looks right there. Put it to the side. That's the right foot. But this thing is super clean. A lot of people don't like the highs, but I love them. And I'm gonna switch the laces on this because it comes with two laces, but it comes with a black and I guess this is white or cream. But I might switch this one to pink. And the reason why I want to switch this to pink is just for one, hold on. this is why I might switch it to pink. It's so I could rock the Supreme Young Boy tee with the pink. Cause this is the only one I could get. And when I went on the site, tried to order it, everything else was sold out except for this one. As soon as I ordered this one, everything else sold out. So I got this. I might switch it to the pink lace, like the one that came on the Udo Dunks, just to rock it one time with the pink shirt, and then switch it back to this. Cause I don't think the black will go, but the cream or the pink, definitely gonna try that out and see how it goes. To the side. So yeah, there you go. That's how it looks. Get rid of all the stuff. And that's the detailing on this. It's so dope. I don't know who the artist is, or the graffiti artist, Rammellzee, but yeah, definitely hyped about these. I'm just getting into the shoe game. Like, I got a lot of Yeezys and stuff like that, but the Jordans and the SBs and just the regular Dunks, I never really got into it until now because of my kids. I got 4 boys, so they're into a lot of shoes. The older ones are into shoes, so that's what got me into all these hype sneakers and all the stuff. But I only buy stuff for retail, like all the stuff that been dropping on the sneaker app, the ones and the Palominos and the 4s. Like, I try to get them, but it's hard to get stuff on the sneaker app. It's all rigged. And yeah, so I got this thanks to Supreme. I got it off the site. They might release these on the sneaker app, but don't hold your breath. Even if they do, you probably won't hit. But look at this, man. This thing is super dope. Just the detailing and the feel and the gum bottom. I love shoes with gum bottoms or ice bottoms. It just, man. So my first SB dunk, and it's a Supreme. So that's real cool. So I'll probably hold on to this forever. Probably wear it once and then just tuck it away. So if you guys want to come with me on this sneaker journey and watch me get all my shoes that I want to get, and make sure to subscribe and like, and let me know what you think. And if you guys want to see a little preview of all my shoes that I do have, like, I have a lot of Yeezy. I probably have 20 pairs of Yeezy. Yeah, probably like 20 pairs. I probably have like 35 pairs of shoes all together, and it's growing ridiculously because I just got into SBs and just Jordans. Like, my first pair of Jordan was the 5 Craft. I mean, like, I really just got into it like this year, a couple months ago. I never had them because I always wear Forces or just other Air Maxes or Clarks because I'm Jamaican. So if you're Jamaican, you know what I say when I wear Clarks, the Desert or the Wallabies. But I'm just getting into these, and yeah, I love it, man. I love it. And this padding right here, so soft and just squishy. So with these, you might want to go like a half size up. I did, because I usually wear like a 9.5 at first. But since I've been buying like all these new shoes and Yeezys, I definitely just go a half size up on most of my shoes now. So this is a 10. This thing is clean. Smells real good. Looks real good. Feels real good. Check at the bottom. That's nice, quality. So I just tried these on and they feel great. The padding and everything, everything just fits snug. And I don't have a lot of high shoes like the uppers, but these felt real good. And there's a lot of little detail on here too. You got the world famous on the tip of the lace right up here, and on the tongue you could also see it says Supreme SB under the Nike swoosh right there. And overall, this is a definite win for me. I mean, this is my first SB, my first like Supreme shoe, and I got it for retail. I think these are going for like $290 now on StockX and GOAT. So it's a definite win, and it looks great, it feels great on feet. Yeah, overall it's a definite win. So make sure to like and subscribe and come along for the journey, my shoe journey. So yeah, peace.